quickly show you how to make a looped ribbon using your Hessian ribbon, 2 wooden spoons, and you need to find your own glamorous assistant. Okay, so what you need to do is ask whoever's helping you to hold your wooden spoons apart. So ours are about 15-20 centimetres apart. You take your ribbon. What I would suggest you do is the ribbon I've sent you, cut it in half, have half for hanging and half for your bow. All right, so it's very straightforward. You take your ribbon. I say it's very straightforward. This is our 3rd attempt to get the recording. Hold your spoon straight. So we wrap round. So that's one created. We go again. And we go again. And then we take our 2 ends. My arms are in the way. Sorry, my 2 ends. And you just twist them round each other like that. And then you take one and bring it round to the front. Keep the spoons, you need to keep your spoons straight and at the same distance apart. So you bring it round to the front, back over like that, and then you just create a knot. And I would suggest with this Hessian ribbon, you do a 2nd knot just to make sure it's secure. Whip your bow off the wooden spoons. So you've got your 2 tails, which you can pull down, and then you've got, I don't know if you can see up here, 1, 2, 3 loops. So you just want to fan your loops out, and then let's tighten that a bit more. That's the only thing with the Hessian, is a bit tricky, so make sure you get a good knot on it. And then we've got 3 on the other side. So that is, oops, let's hold it at the back, your Hessian 3-loop ribbon bow, and then the end you can just snip off at any angle you like, and then you'll see in the decoration videos how you want to then attach your bow onto your wreath, and once you've got it on, again you might want to do a little bit more playing around just to get these where you want them to be. If you only want a single loop bow, obviously you wrap round so you've got the 1 loop. A double, you do it for 2. Got a very tired assistant, I think. If you want 4, you do it for 4, obviously. I wouldn't go, I think 3 is a good number for these wreaths. 4, I would say, is the absolute maximum. But there you go. Hopefully that made sense. It's basically spoons, wrapping, tying, shushing. You don't have to make a bow like this. You can just make a normal bow, but I just thought it would be good to show you this technique. Okay, good luck.